Dogecoin holders, I have a two good news is for all Dogecoin holders. The first good news is absolutely, my friend, you see on the thumbnail on 5th November. Absolutely, I'm going to explain now, but this time you can see here the second good news is very important for all of you to understand. My friend, the second good news is that as you can see here, to the price will urgently pump up, and I can't expect this, my friend. You can see here in last 12 hour, if we check out, my friend, the last 4 hour, I think in last 4 hour, yes, and last 4 hour, my friend, you can see here they were starting moving upward, especially you can see 25.71% in the last 4 hour, you can see your pumps. So if we check out the last 2 hour, in last 2 hour 22.67% Dogecoin price is increased. Can you believe this, my friend? It's really huge pump, my friend. So I think this is really great news for all Dogecoin holder to after a very long dump, my friends, the Dogecoin price will wake up and get a very huge profit. So many congratulations for all holder, my friend. Today will wake up and get a very huge profit. And please, my all you my subscriber, to don't starting selling. Absolutely, this is very good time. A lot of short time investor, my friend, they are starting selling. Today will get a profit, but definitely this time the price is increasing. You can see here many congratulations. Today will hit now 0.3 USD dollar, my friend, and I hope today will hit now half USD dollar, just and only, and then my friends, before my friend 5th November. So therefore I will notify you to please after the 5th November. Also very huge explosion is coming soon, because expert predicate this coin, my friend, and I'm also predicate this coin, and we will completely found this, my friend, to the price will be increasing after the 5th November. That's mean in the first week, after a first week, my friend, the price will starting increasing. So therefore I hope, my friends, too, they will give you a half USD dollar. So kindly don't starting selling, hold it. I hope, my friends, if you're starting waiting, then I hope they will give you a very good profit. So thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.